I finished making that, as you obviously saw in my last video. I finished making this. Nothing wrong with it. Works great. But I was sat there thinking to myself, last year Jason Andrews cut an oxy bottle for me, which was declared scrap because it was rusty inside. So he cut me 4 rings for a wheel thing I was making, and I went over there this morning and I said, Chase, you still haven't got that parts of the oxy bottle left? And he said, well, funny enough, Rob, I have. So after having a laugh, because we tend to laugh a lot, we found what was left of the oxy bottle, and he cut me this bit off, because I knew in the bottom of an oxy bottle is a lovely dip. He put it in the van and I drove off thanking him. And when I took it out of the van, I didn't bloody realise how heavy it was. Even though it's only that big, I'm telling you, that is pretty damn heavy. So I'm going to polish it now and dip it out a bit better, because it's got all letters and stuff on the inside. And you can get these bottles if they've been demobbed and it's got signs of rust inside, for obvious reasons. For obvious reasons, what they do is they take the top off and put a camera down in there, same as you know on your, if you ever go diving, on your oxy bottles or whatever they call it, on your backpack, they got an MOT on them, so they only last so long. If there's rust in them, obviously they got to be thrown. This was one of them. I got a bit of a flapper disc there, so I'm going to flapper the words out of here, because I don't want the words in, otherwise it's going to emboss onto my steelwork, and then I'll just bosh it all up tidy. And I'll see if I got any blacksmith paint, and we'll blacksmith it, and then that'll be quite handy. Hi Andy, that'll be quite handy. So that's my job for the day. So let's switch the electricity on. Flipping flopper. It's harder than it looks. Before I paint it, even though you're going to beat the shit out of it, I want to weld a handle on it, because that's fucking heavy. So it'd be nice to have a catangi on there to be lifting it up and down. What I need though, there it is, there it is, there it is. What's a flapper? A branny newy. A newy branny. I've got most of it out on the inside. I'm not going to show you, because it means I'd have to bring it over there, so it's too heavy. I'll try and get a bit more out of there. Make sure the door is shut. In fact, we could make sure the door is open on this side of the room. Let some air into the room. I'll put it up after some. I tell you one thing, that is hard, but it's done. All the embossed stamping going on in there, and some of it was pretty deep, I gotta be honest. But it's done, it's done, it's done. Done. Well, that's cool in doing. I want it pretty good so you can actually use it for other things. See if I can bend it first. Let's just knock a quick handle on it, and then we can go about our business. So I'd say at least 2 by 4 by 2, which is 8 inches. That's 6. And that's 8-ish. And then I could warm it up, but I've got 20 stone here going to waste. Well, there's nothing wrong with 20 stone. I got that sort of, well, good enough. Fucking hell. Thank you. That's where you stood. Just going to weld that on there to a fashion, like a puppet on a string, like a puppet on a string. I wonder if one day that you'll say that you care. It was starting to get hot, that's all. You know, you should have cleaned it. You should have cleaned it first, obviously. That's going on there, like that. I think this video's on its way out. You turn around and the battery's gone. I've got 2 batteries, so I've got to fucking run all the way there, run all the way fucking back down. There you are. I don't think that'll fall off there too soon. That's pretty good welding. That was fixed. I'm not saying I'm a pretty good welder, I'm saying that's a pretty good welder. Magnetic. They're fucking slightly magnetic. Don't know why. I don't really care why, do we? Let me that again. Pick it up. We've got to try and get all these iron filings off. Get them over there. Fucking hell. That would have hurt. That would have hurt, wouldn't it? But it's got a handle on. Thank you. Just can't get the stuff. That is definitely my hammers. I'm sure. These should be my hammers. Right, they all need cleaning up because they're pretty old. Let's put it all in this. The noise when you hear you know you're hitting hammer through steel onto that. If you hear this, that's not. See, I got that curve in now. So you can do all sorts. You can do all sorts. Just put your mind to it. You'll feel dents, and you can take them out later when we find somewhere my anvil peg. It's on here somewhere. I'll find it. We can use the edge of that for now, just to take out. Well, that's nice. I like that. I like to thank Jason for that, for keeping it. I thought it would have been long gone, you know, because it was, oh, it was months and months and months ago. I'm going to let that cool down and let you get on with your comments. It's nice to have comments. Whatever you might want to say, it's nice to have comments. It means somebody's thinking of you. Somewhere out there, somebody is thinking, took the time off to think about you. Isn't that nice? There you go. That's it. That's done. Thank you very much for the entry. I am. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very, very much. The Scaffold. Good band. Well, it wasn't. It was actually Paul McCartney's brother, wasn't it, I believe? One of them. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very, very much.
Excuse me, mate. Fuck off. Fuck off. Excuse me, mate. Fuck off, will you? Excuse me, mate. I'm fucking busy now. Fuck off. Fucking twat. Fuck off. Excuse me. Will you fuck off? Are these your keys?